In the dynamic world of AI automation, these few creators have been gaining massive views, capturing the attention of many. Today, we will get into their insights and make them accessible to you. The journey into AI automation begins with pinpointing your niche. As the saying goes, the riches are in the niches. By focusing on a specific sector, you position yourself as an expert, delivering unparalleled value to your clients. This isn't about being a generalist, but mastering one area and becoming the go-to authority in that space. These creators emphasize the importance of having a clear, well-defined process. This isn't just a fancy term, it's the backbone of your operations. It's the difference between a well-oiled machine and a chaotic mess. This process includes a submission protocol for your developers, a project handover procedure, and explicit communication guidelines for your team. The submission process is a safeguard, a quality control measure that ensures all work is scrutinized and approved before it's dispatched to the client. This isn't about micromanagement. It's about maintaining a high standard of work and preventing any subpar output from reaching the client, thereby averting potential issues. The handover process, on the other hand, is the bow that wraps up your projects. It's not just about delivering the final product, it's about the aftercare. This involves collecting data to measure the impact of your work, gathering testimonials, and asking for referrals. It's about building a portfolio of success stories and satisfied customers. Clear communication rules are the glue that holds your team together. It's about ensuring everyone is on the same page, singing from the same hymn sheet. Everyone should know when and how to send updates to clients. It's about setting expectations and maintaining consistency. But what's a business without customers? This is where the pipeline of leads comes in. Your first few sales shouldn't be a cause for celebration. They should be reinvested into generating more leads. This could involve being active in your niche's Facebook and LinkedIn groups, creating engaging YouTube or Instagram content, or setting up a website that clearly communicates your services. The goal is to create a steady flow of inbound and outbound leads. While outbound leads involve reaching out to potential clients, inbound leads come to you. It's about creating a magnetic pull that attracts customers to your business. Also, they can't stress enough the importance of sales. Without sales, there's no business. As an entrepreneur, the majority of your time should be spent on sales and marketing. This could involve cold calling, setting up email campaigns, or developing new lead generation methods. It's about being proactive, about going out there and making things happen. As you venture deeper into the world of AI automation, the importance of leveraging the right tools becomes increasingly clear. One such tool that has been making waves in the industry is Zapier. This user-friendly platform is designed to automate workflows, acting as a virtual assistant that tirelessly performs tasks across your apps. It's like having an extra pair of hands, streamlining processes and boosting efficiency. But Zapier is just the tip of the iceberg. The AI toolbox is vast and varied, with each tool designed to solve a specific problem or streamline a particular process. Take chatbots, for instance. These AI-powered virtual assistants serve multiple purposes, from handling customer service inquiries to delivering personalized marketing messages. They're like your own customer service representatives, salespeople, and marketers rolled into one, working round the clock to engage customers, guide them through their buying journey, deliver tailored content and offers, and even conduct customer satisfaction surveys. But AI isn't just about customer interaction and process automation, it's also about content creation. Tools like Synthesia are revolutionizing the way we create content. With Synthesia, you can create high-quality videos without the need for cameras, actors, or even a physical location. It's like having a fully equipped production studio at your fingertips. And let's not forget about meetings. In the business world, meetings are a necessary evil, but with AI, they don't have to be a drain on your productivity. Tools like Fireflies can automatically record, transcribe, and take minutes of your meetings, saving you the hassle of manual note-taking and allowing you to focus on the discussion at hand. Outreach is another crucial aspect of running an AI automation agency. Whether through email or LinkedIn, connecting with decision-makers within your niche is vital. But it's not just about reaching out, it's about how you reach out. The creators emphasize the need to provide value upfront and solve problems rather than just selling a service. It's about showing potential clients what you can do for them, not just telling them. Ultimately, the path to success in AI automation is paved with expertise, speed, and effort. It's about becoming an expert in your field, moving quickly to stay ahead of the competition, and putting in the work to deliver results, The golden rule? Provide value, find problems, and provide solutions. This is the mantra that the creators live by, and it's the mantra that will guide you to success in your AI automation journey. The world of AI automation is vast, and the creators have shared a wealth of knowledge on how to navigate it successfully. One of the key takeaways is the power of no-code platforms. With tools like Bubble and Make.com, you can create a central dashboard for businesses, providing a unified view of tasks, sales leads, and customer support tickets from various software all in one place. This not only streamlines operations but also enables automated workflows and comprehensive analytics. The creators also highlight the potential of creating an automated systems agency. By offering custom CRM dashboards to a specific industry niche, you can provide immense value and charge a premium for your services. This approach combines the best of both worlds, the high leverage of software and the personalized touch of a service-based business. But the creators don't stop there. They introduce the concept of advanced AI automation, where they combine the power of no-code platforms with AI to create even more efficient systems. For instance, they share an example of a real estate company that uses 9 different software tools. By creating a unified dashboard with Bubble and Make.com, they were able to streamline the company's operations, saving them 30% of their time every day. And they're planning to take it a step further by integrating AI into the system. The creators emphasize that learning these skills now will set you up for success in the future. Making software has never been faster, cheaper, or easier. Even if your first software idea doesn't pan out, you'll still have a valuable skill that businesses are willing to pay for. In conclusion, the creators believe that the future of AI automation is bright, and they encourage everyone to embrace it. They stress the importance of becoming skilled, moving quickly, and providing value. With these principles in mind, you're well on your way to success in the AI automation space.